Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I have my Allure beauty box to unbox with you. This is a monthly beauty subscription box. It's a full size and sample size sort of solution here. I do have an annual subscription and I do skip relatively frequently. I do it based upon when I make my spoiler video. So if you want to see the spoilers, definitely consider subscribing and putting the bell icon for this channel because I do post it as soon as I see it. And I will tell you already that for next month, which is December, there will be a customization and you're already able to customize your box already. And if when I make my spoiler video you're like, you know what, this box is not for me, when I have skipped in the past, even though I had made my customization selection already, I was still able to skip, no harm, no foul. I will tell you this box is very heavy actually compared to what I was expecting. So I'm like, what's in here? Because when I pulled it out of the parcel locker I was like, oh, I was not expecting it to be like this. But this is an annual subscription for me, so when I locked it in around Black Friday, they do usually have pretty good Black Friday deals, so definitely consider waiting for that. I do have a link below. It'll get you $10 off your first box. I get like a coupon code for referring you for the member store, but I don't really buy from there. If you can't see here, I have a like entire skincare tower, and I still have not filmed my content that I wanted to do vertical for my Korean beauty haul yet, so those are not put away yet. So I am not here for the coupon code, so it is just there to save you money. There is also usually a Rakuten cash back as well for Allure Beauty Box, so if you do not yet have Rakuten, I do have a link below. It'll get you extra cash back on top of the already pre-existing cash back for buying the Allure Beauty Box. But let me get started here with the box. So here it is. They always have this little booklet with the editor notes and things. If there are coupon codes, I'll let you know the coupon codes, etc. You did just see a glimpse into what the first item is, which is a customization, and I did customize. I don't remember which one I chose. And it says holiday gift guide inside, so color me intrigued. I am done with my holiday shopping through my hobby that I have very much jumped full force into. The first item here is from Charlotte Tilbury. So this was the customization, and I'm not sure if they still allow you to customize if it's after the 1st of the month, but I did customize I think on October 1st or 2nd. They usually open the customizations on the 1st of the month and the preceding month, but I decided to choose the shade Spotlight. I am going to keep this because I have been curious about this product for a long time, and I'm very much a delayed gratification person. But I'm not going to use it right now because I have quite a few cream products open and those go pretty quickly in terms of, you know, not safe to use anymore. But this is the Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter. So from my understanding, there's like a little cushion in here. You squeeze a little bit and then you're able to like blot it and like kind of apply it and have it buff out, etc. Buff out is probably the wrong term. I'm not a beauty guru if you have not decided that by the fact that I have my face on and it's very much not great. So there are 3 different options. So it's going to be the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand in Pillow Talk Original, Hollywood Beauty Light Wand in Spotlight, which is what I got, or Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand in Pinkgasm. So I got the middle one, which is kind of what I'm thinking is like a little bit more champagne-y shade. Glowy skin is always in. These gel-based beauty light, oh, they're gel-based, not cream. Gel-based beauty light wands will give your complexion a special sort of luminosity, whether as a blush or highlighter step in your routine. Add a touch of flush with the Rosy Glowgasm blush in Pinkgasm, or create a strobe-like sheen with the highlighters in Rose Gold, Pillow Talk Original, or Shimmery Champagne Spotlight. You picked your favorite to receive in the box, so then you twist it open the tube, squeeze to dispense, and then dab. Not blot. Dab directly onto cheekbones using the cushion-covered applicator head. Tap with fingers or grab a tapered brush to blend and glow. So the retail price is $42 for the 12 milliliter full-size product. So this is a full size, and again, I paid $19 for my box, like when I did the unit price, and I think it's coming in around $30 right now, but definitely correct me if I'm wrong. I just haven't looked into it because I have my subscription. And I keep skipping, so it's going to be a very long subscription. The next product I was also kind of interested in because I have heard like decent things about this brand. I just like, again, you know, Tower of Shame back there. This is from Kat Berkey. It is the Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream, and this one is the best seller with 15% vitamin C, and it says it's for prevention. It's 1 ounce or 30 mils, so this is the full size. From when I did my spoiler video, I was like, oh, it's very small. It was an internal thought, but it says we could all use a little more time in the day, and this multitasking moisturizer just gives us just that. Thanks to its 15% vitamin C, this potent cream brightens as it hydrates, leaving behind a glowy finish and a Streamlined Routine. $80 for this 1 ounce. It says, after cleansing, slather a dollop or two onto skin from your forehead to your décolletage, and don't forget to follow it up with sunscreen. So that's typically what you should do generally, but also definitely with a vitamin C product, because it does kind of sensitize you a bit, from my understanding. Okay, I'm gonna just open it up a little bit. So this is like a glass container, which is also probably why the box was kind of heavy. So we already have 2 high value sort of full-size products already, and we're only 2 items in. I would say that they usually put the full sizes in the front of the booklet. So it does make sense. But it says there is a coupon code for catberkey.com. Receive 10% off your purchase site-wide with code Allure10, and that is good through February 1st. Next up is another full size. So this one I'm a little bit like, I don't know, I'm not the best at using this type of product. This is from Half Magic, and I've been seeing a lot of ads for them, if I'm being honest. Also with my new pop-up hobby, I like browse Eventbrite like it's my full-time job. Just kidding. I do it whenever I have a spare amount of time. I'm just like on there, I'm like, what kind of stuff is available? But they were having a pop-up for Halloween and I didn't go. But I am curious about it. This one is in Frosty Winkle. So when I made my video, they only had 1 picture available of it, and it was like this one that they have in the booklet, and I thought it was just 1 shade, but it looks like there might be, it looks like there are 8 different options here. So it says in Champagne, Snowflake, Torlita, Pink Pony, Phobot. I thought it was Phobot when I was doing my video. Sorry, wrong information based upon the only thing I had. Cloud Kid, Princess Teddy, Frosty Winkle, or Noir or Never. Oh, I'm happy I did not get the Noir or Never. I think this Frosty Winkle should be an icy blue, I believe. So I might be donating this. Yeah, it looks like it's kind of like an icy periwinkle blue. I'm not gonna swatch it. Yeah. I am like somewhat curious, but like this is not the right shade for me. It's not the right undertone or anything for me, so I will donate it. It's kind of a bummer. I did want to try it. It's a $25 value for 0.4 ounces, and this one is full size. And it says, all that glitters is gold or periwinkle or pink. You get it. With this eyeshadow stick, the creamy formula glides onto lids with shimmering neutrals and show-stopping date-night shades. You got one of the 8 gorgeous hues. Hug the lash line for a sparkling cat eye or boldly color your lids. And it's $25, and you can get it at halfmagicbeauty.com. You can get 20% off your purchase site-wide with the code HMAllure20, valid through January 1st, and that cannot be combined with other offers. So, I mean, I do wish I got one of the other shades, the more neutral ones, but let me know which shade you got and how you like the product. I just know I won't get full use out of a periwinkle, so donation is the name of the game here. The next product is going to be for my dad for Christmas. I gave him this last year as well because I think we got it last year in the box. This is the Almond shower oil, and this one is the almond oil shower oil. It's like the one that's like oil to foam, I think it is. I'll read the description. I might have been wrong about that, from L'Occitane. Basically, I can't use this because almond oil makes me really itchy. I'm not allergic to almonds, it just, I don't know what's up with the ingredient in skincare. So my dad likes it and I will give it to him. This is the only thing more satisfying than watching this oil to milk. Is that what I said? No, it was not what I said. This oil to milk cleanser transformed from a silky elixir into a lavish lather. Well, I mean, it's kind of what I said. Is how soft and velvety it will leave your skin post shower. Dispense a few drops onto your hand, loofah, or washcloth, just like you would with a traditional body wash, and rub onto wet skin, then watch the sudsing begin. So this one would be $29 for the 250 ml full size, but this is not a full size. This is only 75 mils, and it's from L'Occitane.com, and you can get 10% off your purchase and free shipping with the code Allure10, and that's valid through 31st January 2026. And the offer is only exclusive to the full-size L'Occitane Almond Shower Oil 250 mils and only available online. A lot of stipulations there, but I know a lot of people do like this product. Again, I just can't use it because of my skin. The next product I'm a little bit curious about, but I'm also like, oh my gosh, I have no hair, so this one is from Lucetta, I think is how you pronounce it. It's a biotin and collagen hair mask. If your strands are more straw than silk, a weekly treatment may be just what the doctor ordered. The strengthening biotin, plumping collagen, and nourishing argan oil in this mask give thin, dry hair a softer, shinier look during your next everything shower. Is that like a true thing? Anyway, sorry. Skip conditioner and rake in this thick cream from mid-lengths to ends. Leave on up to 5 minutes and rinse. $36 for 500 mils, and this one is 100 mils. So I will do the calculation again. So it's not a full size, but that's probably fine. This one is from lucettabeauty.com, and you can get 20% off your purchase site-wide with the code Allure20, and that's valid through 31st of January 2026. I am curious what this smells like, and if it's not a smell match for me, or fragrance match, or whatever, scent profile match, I will probably donate it just because I have a lot of hair products already. It is sealed though. Okay, now it kind of smells a little bit like Redken. I might keep it, but I might donate it. I have to look in my hair mask collection to see if I have a biotin collagen mask, because it does sound like it'll be good. My hair has been like, okay, so it looks like I have more hair than I have. So that's the thing. My hair is quite healthy, it's just sparse. So I'll have to think about it. The next product I'm pretty sure we had before, but I might be, oh, there was something else in here. But yeah, this one, I seem to recall we had it before, but I'm also now wondering if we did not. But this is the Big by Definition mascara from Sephora. Actually, hold on. Oh no, it's a different one. So this was from a previous box. I'm not a huge fan of this mascara, by the way. It flakes and it gives me raccoon eyes. Or people call it raccoon eyes, or do they call it panda eyes? I can't remember. Anyway, so this is a small sample, obviously, and this is what the wand looks like. It says, fuller, livelier lashes are right this way, courtesy of this big brush mascara. Thick bristles on the wand grip each individual hair to define and bulk up as they coat with the inkiest but smudge-proof pigment. Hold the brush at the base of your lashes and wiggle from side to side until you reach the ends. Repeat until painted evenly, and it would be full size is $15 for 10 mils. Why don't they just give us the full size mascara? And 0.06 ounces is included in the box. So I mean, these ones are nice for like travel and stuff, but the problem is like sometimes when you want to travel, you don't want to be like, am I gonna have raccoon eyes or not? Especially if I'm out of my hotel room for the full day. But I mean, I'll try it out. I do get like really oily and watery eyes, so I am a magic test for all of the mascaras. This next product here is a perfume sample. I'm not sure if this is part of it or if it's like a, well, there's another marketing thing and I just glanced in here. This is from Noteworthy Scents. It's number 307 Sunlit Grove. Summer may be over, but one spritz of this fruit-forward fragrance with notes of zesty mandarin orange and fresh basil will instantly transport you back to warmer weather and longer days. Cozy, creamy sandalwood keeps the scent seasonal. Mist onto wrists, rub them together, and press onto both sides of the neck for an eau de parfum that lingers long after application. $139 for 100 mils, 1.5 mils in the box, and you can get it at noteworthyscents.com. You can get 25% off of your purchase with code Allure25, valid through January 1st, valid on purchases $40 or more. So part of me is like, huh, it sounds kind of good, you know. Mandarin orange and basil, kind of like gourmand. You're talking my language there, but then the sandalwood hits me in the description, and I'm kind of like curious. Hold on, what it looks like. Very exciting, I know. Okay, I gotta do it. I'm so curious. Oh, it's actually pretty okay. The sandalwood does hit you at the end. It does definitely smell like wood. Definitely smells like wood. So I would say that it smells good, but again, I don't like sandalwood. It's not my scent profile. I don't know how to describe my scent profile except for saying I don't like sandalwood or spicy stuff. So they do have some gift guide stuff in here, and I did see it on the, they're kind of changing the model a little bit where you have some like add-ons for your boxes every month, and they had quite a few add-ons for December's box. But this one says you can get the Color Wow Bombshell Volumizer for $15, the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Acid Lip Gloss Balm for $18. I have that from the box previously. There is a House Lab PhD Hybrid Lip Glaze in Guava. I think I also have that from the box previously. You can get those for $15. And then there's the NARS Cosmetics Powder Mini Blush for $12. But yeah, there's 3 flavors. I think I've gotten the same sample kit from FabFitFun. Like, I think I still have it, which means that it's probably like a couple years because I have not gotten PR from them in like a couple of years. But it has white peach, lemon lime, and green grape. But somehow it still has calories in it, regardless, whatever. I do like liquid IV from time to time, but it's more like as a desperate, I need hydration now sort of scenario. But anyway, this box was actually really good. So there will be 2 things that I for sure will not be using myself, just because sensitivity for this, and my dad actually really likes it, and this one is just not my shade. And truly, I probably should not have opened the box because I should have known myself enough to know that this product probably would not be used by me. But yes, thank you again for watching. Let me know what you thought about it. Let me know which shade you got for the well, both. The Charlotte Tilbury and also this Half Magic one, because I'm quite curious. There are so many different variations this month. So thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Definitely consider subscribing. I have quite a few videos coming out. I have some pop-up hauls, and then I also have some vlogs and things like that. I'm also trying to like reconfigure the channel going into 2026 because I'm very far behind in vlogs and nobody watches them anyway, except for like my 2 friends and my family. Anyway, thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye. Oh, one more thing. I did get a P.O. box recently, so I'm going to test it because a lot of my influencer packages kept getting stolen. I don't know. It's like, that guy's gonna be so disappointed when he opens it up and it's like a box of Kleenexes. It's not, but like, imagine. Anyway, bye.